Who's making that noise? Is that you? Yeah, it is. What's up? You got a lot to say? So I'm pretty sure she was chilly. I put her over here directly under the heat lamp, and she's gone quiet. So I think she's much happier now. This is the evening of day 9, and here we all are enjoying ourselves. We have our water, our regular dry feed, and the remaining of the fermented feed, which I'll take out before bedtime. They've been using that as a dirt bath. So I put in a dirt bath, but I had it in the corner over here, and they didn't pay any attention to it at all. So I put it where it's at now, and they've been pecking at it. And I'm anxious to see if they actually figure out what the purpose is. We'll find out. Hopefully they don't just poop all over in it. I don't know what they're doing. Okay, they're kind of anxious tonight. I'm going to put my hand down here and see if I can get one on here. This is Parkour Chick. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, she's pretty anxious tonight. Pretty anxious. Let's see if you can see the size of her feet. Look how big those are. Yeah. And Spitfire here, the orange one, it looks like her feet are even bigger. Now, I don't know if they really are, if it just appears that way because they are light colored, but she seems to have ginormous feet. I mean, just huge. And she and Parkour Chick both like to be on my hand like this. The two Plymouth Rock, well, they're not as, they'll do it, but not as much because, you know, every time I turn around, I'm cleaning their pasty butt and they're not excited about that. So let's get down. You gonna jump? Come on. What was that? Faking you out. Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna have to get off my hand here pretty soon. I need to, you know, do stuff. Come on now. Come on now. Oh, come on now. Ah, there we go. All right. They seem to get really playful or anxious, whichever, about this time of night. And so they're getting their exercise and then they'll pass out. I don't know if the camera can catch this as well as my eyes, but you can see that the feathers are coming in while the fluff is starting to go away. So you see how detailed that is? The wings with a lot of the fuzziness above it, and it's starting to fade away. She still has a lot. But here, and you see all of those feathers coming in around the patch of fuzzy? Yeah, starting to grow up. Look at the wings. And then of course, Spitfire here, you can really see it, the wings, and then right where the shoulders are, the feathers are starting to come in. So it's very interesting to see. I'm trying to show what I'm seeing with my eyes in a little more detail. You see that? All right, so far we have names for 4 of our chickies. This one is Phoenix because she has a phoenix on her head. Can't really tell right now. I don't think that's gonna stay, but hopefully I'll be able to tell her apart when she gets older. Then we have the red one, which is Spitfire. And this little black one is Trinity. And the other black one is Parkour Chit. And this one I don't have a name for yet. And it looks like she has a cloud on the top of her head, so I'm just calling her iCloud for now. I'm not saying that's her name, but up, come on, come on. There you go. Yes, you can't climb my arm though. Now she's like, can I get on the water? Yeah, you'll just fall right on your butt. And I'm not gonna lift my arm because then you're just gonna jump out. But she is higher than everybody. See, she thinks she's the queen. Queen bee, Parkour chick. She's probably gonna try and jump on the phone or jump on my face. Hard to say.
We are just starting week 2. And it's literally, let me count here. Oh, look at that balancing act. Did you see that? That was cute. That was Trinity doing a little tightrope over there. Nice.
All right, it's 9 p.m. A while ago I checked in on them and they were all passed out. Now they're starting to work on their feathers. And I wish I could see them. Look at this one. See how this section of feathers right here are poking up? It's kind of cool. I wish I could get a really good shot. See how they are? Yeah, she's working on them. Look at that. They're all working on the little feathers here and there. It is, apparently, all of them are going to do this at the same time.